The MQ-9 Reaper has become iconic of United States Air Force strikes in hotspots around the world. While they are very vulnerable in contested airspace, as is seen with the Houthis of Yemen downing many of them, they are extremely capable in permissive environments. Despite their high price tag, around $30 million each, countries around the world, like India and Poland, are ordering large numbers of them. The MQ-9A was first flown in 2001. General Atomics states the MQ-9A has an endurance of over 27 hours and a range of the MQ-9A extended range is designed with field retrofittable capabilities, like wing-borne fuel pods and a new reinforced landing gear. This extends the range from 27 hours to 34 hours. Other capabilities include 445 km per hour, true airspeed, a service ceiling of 50,000 feet, and a payload capacity of 3,850 pounds, of which 3,000 pounds are external stores. It has been acquired by the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, NASA, the Royal Air Force, the Italian Air Force, the French Air Force, and the Spanish Air Force.